What do you do, YouTube? It's your boy Heavy Crypto, and you already know what we do on this channel. Always find ways to make money, research Nakamoto, Bitcoin, and everything related to cryptocurrency. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can create a successful business with P2P trading on No One's. So you already know I've been trading on No One's, and this is the reason why I'm also recording this video. So make sure you watch the whole video to the very end, because by the end of this video, you are going to know how exactly you're going to create a successful business on No One's, and I'm also going to share some tricks that you guys have to apply when creating offers on No One's. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so you already know this is my trading account on No One's, and if you don't have an account, make sure you use the link in the description below as well. But I want to show you step by step how exactly you are going to run a successful business with P2P. So let's get right into it, guys. Not really complicated task. All you have to do is to create an account using the link in the description below, and make sure you deposit some money to your wallet so that your offers is going to appear on top. If you don't have funds in your wallet, your offers are not going to appear on top, because it's like you're not genuine, right? So people want to trade with people that are really genuine and people that really need to sell their cryptocurrencies. So it can be USD Tether or Bitcoin or Ethereum as well. But I know if you have 3 of these coins and USDC, if you have 3 of these coins, you can be able to convert these coins to Bitcoin, because large amounts of people are willing to buy Bitcoin right now. I've been trading on No One's, and this is what I've found out. A lot of people want to buy Bitcoin instead of USDT. So if you have USDT, you go to your wallet right here and you'll make a deposit. So to make a deposit is very simple. You can either scan the code, or you can copy the address. So as you can see, I deposit this amount right here, so that I'll show you step by step how exactly you can do this. But in your case, let's say if you have USDC, you're gonna have to deposit USDC using this address right here. And if you have Ethereum, you can also deposit using this address. So all you have to do is to click like this, to click right here, and they're gonna provide you an address. You can either scan this QR code or copy this address and make a deposit. But I recommend people to deposit with Tether, because they have TRC20, and TRC20 is a really cheap network. That's why I recommend you guys to use TRC20. But once you do that, all you have to do is to make sure that your profile look great, and make sure that you have got the profile picture and your description is well done and everything, right? You have to tell them that you're a good trader and you are willing to do these trades as quick as possible and all that stuff, so that when clients come to your profile, they can see all your details and see that you're a legit trader. And most important, guys, make sure that you verify your phone number and you verify your ID. And once you do that, you're gonna have to go to the marketplace, and then you have to see what other traders are doing. And this is a very, very important step, guys. Like, this is a business. We're talking about like legit business right here. You have to see what other competitors are doing. So you can see that right here we have got these popular guys. I mean, this is also another thing about No One's, right? It pretty much divides popular traders and other traders that are just got into the market. But that doesn't really matter, because right here a lot of clients are willing to pay a cheaper price. You know what I mean? So whether they are popular or not, you still gonna get clients. So all you're gonna do is to go to where it's written price, and you're gonna have to figure out like what's the lowest price that these guys are selling at. So as you can see, the lowest price using bank transfer is this guy right here, and he's selling at plus 1.5% using bank transfer. That's really, really good. I mean, you can buy Bitcoin at minus 1.5% using bank transfer, and followed by this guy again. I mean, these are all new guys, and the reason why they're selling at plus 1.5% is because they want to build their profiles. You know what I mean? Like, if you have a lot of trades, a lot of people will be willing to trade with you and all that stuff. And this is the reason why these guys have reduced their profit percentage, so that they can meet a lot of people to trade with. But you can see that we have this guy followed by this guy, and he's selling at 3.99%, also just to build his profile. As you can see, he's got at least 11 trades so far, and this one has got 10 trades so far. So this method works, right? Like you can just at least, put your percentage at +5 so that you can get a lot of clients and build your profile. Make sure that your profile look legit and people can trust it. It means that you have done a lot of trades with other people. And this is also another trick that I want you guys to point out. And for you to start, like as a beginner, right, you're gonna have to put your profile, your offer at least +5% going upwards, so that you're also gonna get a lot of people. You're still gonna get trades with 5% as long as you have funds in your wallet. Funds is what matters the most. So as you can see, this guy, you can trade with him, but he has only 2,800 in his wallet. You can see his limit, you see. But in your case, let's say you put 5% and you have at least like 6,000. You see, people still gonna come to you and trade with you because they come with large numbers and stuff like that, and you're still gonna make profit. As long as you make profit, you don't have any problem. So guys, if you enjoy this kind of content on this channel about no one's, about P2P game and everything, make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. You're really helping the channel for that, and it motivates me to come right here and show you tricks that you can use for you to succeed in P2P business. But other than that, all you have to do is to make sure that you're being competent and your trades stand out compared to the rest of these guys. Make sure that like your username is something legit. Don't put like numbers on your usernames and stuff like that. You have to be legit. We're talking about a legit business. So going ahead, guys, all you have to do is to create an offer. And to do this thing, it's really simple. You have to go to where it's written marketplace and click create an offer. But right now, let's say you want to create a Bitcoin offer and you do not have Bitcoin in your wallet. I said like you can send Ethereum or USDT. Doesn't really matter. All you have to do is to go to wallet and click this button right here where it's written convert. And guys, you can also buy like airtime and stuff like that. You on no one's using the coins that you have on your wallet. So this is also amazing feature that I found out on no one's compared to all other P2P exchanges. So you're gonna click to where it's written convert, and right here you're gonna be provided with this option. So right here it says it means converting Bitcoin to USDT, but in this case we want to convert USDT to BTC. So we're gonna click this button right here. So you can see that it has swapped like this, and right now we have got USDT on our left side and BTC on our right side. So we are willing to swap all of it, right? So we're just gonna click max and convert, and it's really simple. It doesn't even take time and all that stuff. You can see that we have successfully swapped it and we didn't pay anything at all, to be honest. So we only pay like less than 50 cents or so it doesn't really matter the thing. But once you do that, that's when you can go to where it's written create an offer, because I swapped my USDT to BTC so that I can be able to sell this BTC. A lot of people are willing to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going up. There's Bitcoin halving going on, so a lot of people are willing to buy Bitcoin. You're talking about clients that do not have access to Bitcoin. I'll give you an example. You see, in Zimbabwe, people do not have access to cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. Or it was also happening in Nigeria. People do not have access to cryptocurrencies and United States dollar and stuff like that. And this is the reason why a lot of people were willing to trade on this kind of markets. And this is how exactly you can create a business out of this, because right now Bitcoin is still not accessible. So if you come here right here in this market today, it's early for you. So right now you're gonna have to go to where it's written Bitcoin and click sell Bitcoin, and right here you have to choose payment methods. And speaking of payment methods, it's also really important because this will determine which payment method you want to make money out of. So let's say if you want to make money out of bank transfer, which is popular one and a lot of people love bank transfer, you can also go ahead with it. Or if you want to make money with online wallets, you can also go with it. By the way, guys, if you want to take this game to another level, I recommend that you check out heavycryptouniversity.online, and this is the platform where you can learn pretty much anything about cryptocurrency, from a beginner to advanced crypto trader. And you're gonna have a lot of options, whether you want to do P2P, DeFi, spot trading, futures, and including all the ways of how exactly you can make money with cryptocurrencies. I started with nothing and I ended up accumulating a lot of Bitcoins because of all these methods that I share on this channel. So make sure you check out Heavy Crypto university.online, and you're gonna get pretty much anything that you need. And this course right here combines everything about cryptocurrencies, so you can see a lot of people are really learning from it, and you have got a lot of people visiting it every day. It's a really successful university. So I just wanted to point out. But let's go back to our main business, which is P2P business. And guys, I mean it when I say that P2P right now is a good business to start with, especially in cryptocurrencies. If you don't want to take risk of trading futures, or if you don't want to hold cryptocurrencies and everything, I recommend that you check out P2P on No One's. Then from here, you're gonna have to click bank transfer. This is only if you are willing to accept payments using bank transfer, and you're gonna click bank transfer like there. And right here, you're gonna have to put your country. So I'm in South Africa right now. I'm just gonna type right here South Africa, and I've got an bank account in South Africa. That's why I'm putting South Africa right here. And right here, you're gonna have to put your banking details and everything. And right here, you're gonna have to put a name of your bank, right? So let's say you're banking with Capitec. You're gonna type right there. But I recommend you to list all your bank accounts and everything. And very important, you have to accept terms and conditions right here and click next. So this is where magic happens, right? So we agree that we're gonna have to put like 5% as a beginner, so that you can get a lot of attention and the clients to trade with you, and meanwhile you're also building your profile. But let's say you put 5%, and right here you're gonna have to put your trade limit. So I've got like 1,000 in my wallet, so I would put 1,000. This is my trade limit for now, and 30 minutes should be a proper time for them to make payments, right? So once you do this, you're gonna have to click next. This is where exactly profit and loss come from. But once you do that, you click next, and your offer is ready to be public. So right here, you're gonna have to put these tags. You have to accept third payments, because a lot of people are willing to to use other means to get to you. So you're gonna have to accept third payments. But receipt is really important, and trade guide is also important. You have to make sure that they are doing the right thing and all that stuff. But you only release coins once they make a payment, and this is number one thing about No One's. So once you do that, you're gonna have to also accept if you want your clients to be verified. So you're gonna have to take that. But once you have done that, it's easy to go, and this is how exactly you create an offer. So we can see that right now our offer is done, and you have done pretty much anything, and right now it's loading. You're just gonna create an offer. So once you do that, you can see that you can also copy this link and send it to someone straight if you want to trade with them. But right now our offer is live, and we can pretty much start accepting payments and everything. And this is how exactly you guys can see these offers and everything. So guys, this is it. My name is Arthur. I just wanted to point out and show you how exactly you can make money with P2P business, and this is the step-by-step guide if you're a beginner and you're trying to be advanced in crypto and in P2P business, and this is how exactly you can start out. So this is my name is Arthur. If you find this content helpful, make sure you destroy the like button right now, so that next time I can also come with amazing features and amazing ways showing you how exactly you can make money with P2P business or any cryptocurrencies and all that stuff. So this is my name is Arthur, guys. Therefore, I saw a video, my Instagram, everything, Twitter, including Facebook, gonna be in the description below as well, and my Telegram group and everything is gonna be in the description below as well. So this is it. My name is Arthur, guys. Therefore, I saw another video. Love and peace. Cheers.